Hey, hello guys. So here we are going to teach cherry pick, and I just learned it. I thought that I can show it up like how it is useful to our day-to-day Git life. And yeah, this is my repo, and I created it, and I have two branches. One is master, and one is project setup. So in the master we have file list, okay, and now if I go to the project setup, okay, let me go to the project setup. Yeah, so as you see here, I am in master now, so I'll move to project setup. Okay, so here is our project setup, and this is our readme file. Okay, now what I will do, I will create some to do to do list here, and exercise for 20 minutes daily. I will add some task, help someone learning. We will add it. So there is two tasks I have added it, and I am going to add to this branch project setup. So I will stage it, and then I will add extended tasks commit, and I will push the changes to project setup. So don't forget that I have added extended two tasks into this readme file, and then I'm pushing to this branch project setup. Now I will move to project master. So as you see, you have only 5 lists in the to do, and what I need to do, okay, so I missed one part. So again I will go to the project setup, and I will create now, so there is index.html file, and I will create one more file saying uh, footer. The real life examples, it won't have separate index, separate HTML files, because now we are in single single page applications files. We are creating any applications which we create, so no need of creating separate HTML files. So this is just for um, teaching example of cherry pick. So I created a footer.html file, and I will create, so that's a footer we can say, and I will commit this too. And again I'm remitting, I'm in project setup, so I'm staging it, committing it, and say footer committing to project setup. Okay, now I'll go to master. So the master doesn't have index HTML file or footer HTML file, anything. It doesn't have anything, and also it doesn't have the to do logs as well, because I committed in project setup branch. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cherry pick. So what I require, I need the to do list only to be updated. So for that, uh, go to the branches. So this kind of setup you will get it only when you are installing the extension Git Lens. So I have installed Git Lens. So here I have it. So after this, it will show the two branches actually here when you go to this branches field. And what you see is like the two branches, project setup and master. So from which branch you want to get it? Like I am going to project setup. So what you have added it? So you have added it, extended tasks. Yeah, these two only you need to pull it and push it to the master branch. So what I will do, I will right click this and then I will say cherry pick commit. It provides three options. One is without committing, one is edit and commit directly, and other is it will commit it automatically to this branch master as I'm within branch master. So what I will do, without commit I will do. Okay. So what it did, yeah. So what it did is it actually added two to-dos for us and cherry picked for us, and it didn't bring any of the HTML files. So it brought index HTML file or footer HTML, nothing. I don't want. I want to edit only the to-do list from readme file of the project setup branch. Yes, I got it. Now what I can do, I can commit it. Commit only updated to-do tasks. So I commit it here and I push it to master. So master has no index HTML file, no footer.html file. It has only updated readme file alone with the last two to-do tasks. So let's see this in our browser. So here I will just refresh it, and here you see I am in master branch and there is only readme file and there is updated two tasks. So this is how you do cherry pick from a branch and then commit it to your branch. Thank you.